Hello. Today, we're starting a brand new series where I'll show you interesting features in CapCut PC that use artificial intelligence. This is the first episode, and in this one, we'll explore the lip sync feature. First, add an image of a person to the timeline. Then, in the top right corner, under the video section, scroll down until you see the lip sync option. Make sure to check it. You'll see two options: text to video or adding your own audio. For this tutorial, we'll use text to video. Now, we write a script, choose a voice, and as you can see, there are a lot of voices to pick from. Then, you can select either the standard or the vivid model. We're going to compare both. Let's start with standard and click Generate. This is the result using standard.
Please leave a like and a subscribe. Please leave a like.
Now, let's test the vivid option. Same script, click Generate. Here's the result.
Please leave a like and a subscribe. Please leave a like.
Now, let's compare them side by side.
Please leave a like and a subscribe. Please leave a like. Please leave a like and a subscribe. Please leave a like.
If you enjoyed this first episode, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you won't miss the next ones.